Dear students, hope you will be feeling all well. Today we will be in the third part of this lesson. I will today discuss more additional questions on the text so that you may get an insight or you may fully understand this lesson. तो आज हम इसका तीसरा जो हिस्सा है वही हम इसमें देखने की कोशिश करेंगे कि जो आज हमारे एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वहाँ से हम आज शुरू करेंगे। एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस में पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ फातिमा's father and what was he? The name of Fatima's father was Kale Shah. He was a clove seller and a smuggler of Pakistan. He was a hard bargainer. He was very much calculating person there. Question 2. What was the condition of the land? The earth had cracks and it looked as if chunks of it had been baked in a kiln and put into the soil. It was so because there has been drought for 3 years. Now question 3 is, how did the camel survive? The cattle became thin and emaciated and the oxen died because of the drought. The camel fed themselves on the bawal and camel thorn, thus they were able to survive. Question 4 is, what did Najab's father think about his son? Answer is, he thought that Najab would squander away all the wealth that his ancestors had acquired during 100 years. He would not be able to collect the price of what he sold. Question 5 is, when would Najab had cancelled his journey? If the jackals had not come to eat up food, he would have considered it an ill omen and cancelled the journey. This was auspicious that the jackals came. Question number 6. Who was Zaman and what type of man was he? Zaman was a clever old smuggler. He had the experience of 100 illegal trips into Sindh. Without his support, no one could cross the run, and it was just the gauntlet with the law. Now question 7 is, how did Zaman react when he came to know that Najab crossed the border? When Zaman came to know that Najab crossed the border, इसमें थोड़ी सी टेक्निकल फॉल्ट आ गई, तो ये मैं यहाँ पे आई विल सी टू इट, यू विल प्लीज़, तब तक आप मेरे साथ रहेंगे। ये परेशानी है, टेक्निकल परेशानी हो गई इसमें, ये मैं देख लूँगा इसमें मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ ये, आई विल डू इट। तो जी, who was Zaman and what type of man was he? Question 6. Zaman was a clever old smuggler. चूँकि मैं छठे सवाल से फिर शुरू कर रहा हूँ, बीच में इसमें थोड़ी सी परेशानी हो गई। He had the experience of 100 illegal trips to Sindh. Without his support, no one could cross the run, and it was just the gauntlet with the law. How did Zaman react when he came to know that Najab had crossed the border? When Zaman came to know that Najab was crossing the border, he came to Aftab and asked for Najab's whereabouts. He said that his son was not as innocent as the world believed. He abused him, that is Najab. How do you say that Najab was shy? Everyone knew that Najab was shy. His face would blush when someone mentioned the name of a girl. His father used to say that Najab would squander away what he and his ancestors acquired because of his shyness. How old was Najab? How many times had he crossed the run earlier? This is question number 9. He was 20 years then. He was 20 only. He had crossed the run on 4 occasions earlier, but each time he had either accompanied his father or that Willie, old smuggler Zaman, the veteran of 100 illegal trips into the Sindh. Now question 10 is, what did Najib dare to do? He dared to go across the desert into Pakistan. He had no one with him. He was all alone. He wanted to fulfill his promise which he made to Fatima. Question number 11. What did Najib take from his mother? Najib took his mother's gold bangle which Aftab's father had given to her. When Aftab found her arm bare and asked her about it, she replied that he did not need to worry. Najib would return with clothes. Name the checkposts Najib crossed on the way. This is question number 12. So answer is, he crossed two checkposts of the Indus Rangers at Jagtari and Vignur. He knew the track he had to take. He crossed the international boundary, pillar number 1066. Now question 13 is, what did Aftab think about his wife's reaction on Najib's escapade? When Aftab went to break the news of Najib's escapade to his wife, he thought that she would faint, but she did not even blink once in surprise. Question 14. What were the arrangements of checking the movements on the international boundary? To check the movement on the international boundary, the Indus Rangers looked from their bamboo watchtowers. The Indus Rangers and BSF parties patrolled there. They had binoculars to keep watch over. Question number 15 is, why did people go from here to there and how did they manage it? People would go from here and there to sell tendu leaf. They would bring clothes on return journey. They paid off to the officials and intermediaries who arranged the sale of BD leaf. Question 16 is, why did Zaman go to Aftab Mian? What did Zaman say? He went to Aftab Mian to ask about Najib's whereabouts. He said that the boy was not as innocent as he seemed. He thought that Najib had gone across the border with his camel Allah Rakha. Now the next question is 17th question. It is, why did Aftab call his son a fool? He called his son a fool because he had not taken the bundle of tindu leaf with him. He thought, what would he sell by him across the border without it? Now question number 18. I think for today we'll stop over here. Why did Aftab go in when Zaman had left? He went in to break the news of Najib's escapade to his wife. He was afraid the idea that she would faint on listening it, but it did not happen. So this is, we completed the third part. तो इंशाल्लाह कल कैरेक्टर स्केच लेकर और बाकी क्वेश्चंस जो इसके हैं वो लेकर आएंगे चौथे पार्ट में. तो कल हम इस लेसन को ख़त्म कर रहे हैं. टिल देन अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. गुड बाय.